Hi, my name is Kanishka. I am a student of class ninth at St. Paul's English Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you a few things related to water, and my topic for today is catch the rain. So, today I speak on a crucial life giving topic, Catch the Rain. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain campaign, with its motto Catch the Rain Where It Falls, When It Falls, is a vital national movement to harvest rainwater, improve soil moisture, and recharge aquifers before monsoon rains run off by implementing techniques like rooftop harvesting, check dams, and distilling ponds. We can tackle water shortage, reduce flooding, and secure India. How can we catch the rain? It does not always require massive technology, but it can start at our homes. First, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Collecting rain from rooftops and storing it in tanks or directly charging it into the ground. Second, creating harvesting pits, making simple pits in our gardens or compound areas to let the water seep into the earth. Third, cleaning water bodies, distilling local ponds and repairing traditional water structure like step wells. Why it is important? Catching the rain is directly related to our water security. It helps replenish our fast depleting groundwater aquifers. It ensures that our wells and borewells do not go dry. Now we will look at some different methods to harvest rainwater. Now I will show you a video that will help you understand why you should join the Catch the Rain campaign and why it is essential for our country.
Why should you join the Catch the Rain campaign? Give our Earth, that is busy battling climate change, global warming, and many more environmental issues, the rest it deserves. We aim to make a significant contribution towards the preservation of nature by conserving rainwater. Conservation of rainwater would help substantially given the depleting level of groundwater. Not only water, but also energy conservation will be promoted. By doing so, the quality and the quantity of groundwater will increase. Saving rainwater as benefits our environment in many ways. Soil erosion, stormwater runoff, flooding, surface water contamination from fertilizers, pesticides, metal, and other sediments. Rainwater is an excellent source of water for irrigation. Free from chemicals, dissolved salts, and all minerals. With an emphasis on water conservation and rainwater, youth will be able to understand the importance of water. Groundwater recharge act as a barrier to seawater infiltration and migration of contaminants in coastal basins. Other benefits include improving flow in rivers, flood control, and protection of wildlife and birds' habitats. That's why Sea Positive has taken up the responsibility that Catch the Rain campaign reaches widely. By conserving rainwater, we can fight the water crisis in the future. We can increase the groundwater level by adapting the groundwater recharge method. This is a modern method of rainwater harvesting. A pit is prepared by digging. It can be 1 to 2 meters wide and 2 to 3 meters deep. It will collect the rainwater runoff and filter it through the pit. Collecting rainwater through recharge pits will help in replenishing the groundwater reserve. Catch the Rain mission will bring far-reaching effects of water conservation. For this, we have to work towards saving rainwater. For rainwater conservation, we need to know how it works. Rainwater harvesting can be done in any type of building structure. We can adopt 2 easy ways to conserve rainwater: rainwater harvesting and recharging groundwater. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected on any kind of roof. The collected rainwater is sent through pipes to a storage tank at ground level. The collected water is filtered and used as required. Rainwater harvesting is a simple low cost technique. It requires minimum specific expertise or knowledge and offers many benefits. Catch the Rain represents our small efforts for nature conservation. So let's connect. Catch the rain where it falls when it falls.
As students and future citizens, the onus is on us. We must adopt the philosophy of every drop counts. I urge all of you to look around your homes and schools, identify places where water can be harvested, and convince your elders to take action. And last, let us commit today to catch every drop of rain to make our planet greener and our future secure.